Ladies and gentlemen, I do believe we have found the toner of this year. So I was just like, whoa, this works. And it gives you that nice minty sensation that when you use it, you're just like, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm in heaven. Guys, stop scrolling. Amazon Prime Day is officially here, and let's be completely honest, 90% of the hyped Kbeauty products are just fluff. Don't get me started on Medicube. I mean, I love some of their products, but a lot of them are just like, you guys know I do not let you waste your money. So today we're gonna skip the overhyped products that's just sitting on your vanity, and I'm actually gonna recommend to you guys high-performing, skin-changing gems that I think are honestly worth your money and time, which is so important. And I'm gonna be honest, some of these I have already showed you guys a couple of times, but they're only in this video again because I truly think they're worth it. So without further ado, let's get this video started right away. Guys, first starting off with the skin refining blueprint. Ladies and gentlemen, I do believe we have found the toner of this year. So these two products are from Laka Skin. Yes, Laka, you guys know they have amazing makeup products, but they also have amazing skincare products, and I am super impressed with their products, especially this toner. This is their Laka Skin Scaling Toner, and I also have their Laka Skin Wrapping Cream. Let's first start out with this toner because I've emptied it out and I'm already on my second bottle. And this is so good, guys. So basically, this is a toner. Texture-wise, it does feel watery, but it has a nice combination of AHA, PHA, LHA to exfoliate the dead skin cells and really give you that refined texture. And I gotta say, guys, I really enjoyed using this because it was so gentle. Like, even when I was using it on my peeling skin, I didn't feel any irritation. Secondly, when I was using this, I could noticeably see that my skin texture was super smooth without any bumps, versus when I finished this up and before moving on to my second bottle, there was a time period where I did take a hiatus and I could visibly see like more bumps, more acne appearing on my skin. So I was just like, whoa, this works. And I just love how it's not aggressive. It doesn't damage my skin barrier, and it's so gentle on my skin that I can confidently recommend it to all skin types. Of course, if you have really sensitive skin, make sure to do a patch test. But honestly, I used this when I literally had skin peeling off and it didn't sting, which is saying a lot. With that being said, this is absolutely appropriate for everyday use, AM and PM, which is how I like to use it. And it really just makes your skin really supple, hydrated, and prepared for the next steps of your skincare. So I was actually really impressed. I was like, Laka, you coming through. And this also has C-cut, PDR, and ceramide for that nice nourishment aspect as well. So this was a total yes. I highly recommend you guys to check out if you guys are kind of like on a hunt to find a refreshing toner that's also going to help give you that egg skin, really glazed skin texture. So this was a total win. Next, I was also very thoroughly impressed with their Laka Skin Wrapping Cream. This is basically a cream, but it offers all the benefits, the best aspects of using an actual wrapping mask. So it locks in all of your skincare, all of the nutrients, without you actually having to go through the process of using a wrapping mask, because it can be a little bit of hassle sometimes, right? So it has a creamy appearance texture like this, and I gotta say, the texture is not too heavy nor too light, but it feels really, really hydrating, nourishing at the same time. And honestly, this is one of the creams that I think I would recommend to anyone all year round. It just sits right in the middle and it creates that perfect smooth base for your makeup, so it doesn't peel, it doesn't crack. It's a totally breathable formula that just fortifies your skin barrier without clogging up your pores. This was a cream I was also very, very surprised by. I absolutely loved how lightweight and easy it went on my skin. I do use it for AM and PM. I find it very suitable, especially now that it's getting a little warmer. I think this works perfectly for me right now. And I really think the combination of these two are fabulous. I really, really enjoyed using them to bits. So I highly recommend you guys to check them out. Laka Skin knows what they're doing. They've got game. I was very impressed by these two. Next, I cannot not talk about this brand, Dr. Reju-All. Oh my gosh. First, you guys know I love this product 2 bits. Guys, please try it. Seriously, if you have damaged skin barrier, you have to absolutely try it. So you guys have seen me mention this countless times in my recent videos lately, and it's for a very good reason. I absolutely love this to bits because it actually works in repairing my skin barrier instantly. This is like an instant cure. Think of it as a luxurious, comforting, repairing bandage for thy skin. So basically, this is a cream that uses LC ceramide, long chain ceramide, that mimics our skin's natural lipid composition, and that's why it's so effective in repairing our skin barrier. And as a matter of fact, it has 1% of it with panthenol and squalane, instantly calming any irritation. So like I've shown you guys countless times, this does have a thicker consistency, but it does melt down like butter on my face. So like I've mentioned, I like to do a really thick layer on my cheek areas whenever it gets really sensitized. And you know what's so funny? On the days where like my skin's really dry, rough, and has gone through it, you can see the cream has actually seeped in the places. Like you can see it's gotten absorbed a lot faster, so it gets patchy with time. I think that's like so interesting, and it's just a testament to how well this works for my skin. This is explicitly designed for hypersensitive skin like me. Said, you know, doing what I do, I have to test out so many products. Not only that, I have extremely dry skin, especially in my cheek areas. This lives in my vanity 24/7. I take this with me whenever I travel, no matter where. I just need to have this with me like an SOS first aid kit. Now, if you want the same barrier repair but with insane hydration and plumpness, you need to try out their best-selling Dr. Reju-All Advanced PDR Rejuvenating Cream. This cream is so beautiful in such a different way though. Like the LC Ceramide cream is also my like ride or die, but this is every time I use this, I'm just like taken away by how beautiful it works on my skin, you know? So I don't know if you guys know this, but Dr. Reju-All, it's skincare brand founded by pharmacists, and this product also was developed by pharmacists and scientists, and so they made sure to put in the most optimal level of ingredients in it. And this actually has 1200 ppm of PDRN, pura 99% salmon, pura PDRN, and 1200 ppm is like the sweet spot for PDRN. And it's formulated into uniform microparticles for deep absorption, alongside with niacinamide and collagen to really help boost the elasticity and soothe the redness. Now, this cream is also great for skin barrier repairing and plumpness, but what's different about this was, of course, this has more gel consistency. It's very light, but it's still so hydrating. I feel like this is one of the very few creams that I feel very comfortable in using all year round. And even though it has a gel consistency, you know, some gel textures, it just dwells on top and it leaves kind of like a film. This one doesn't. It just seeps right in. It kind of disappears in the best possible way, and it just leaves your skin really, really refreshed and hydrated. Absolutely love. So this is a bestseller for a very good reason. So this is also one that you should check out. They have a bigger size. You guys know the bigger the better. This is 60 ml version, so get it while you can when it's on sale. Last but not least, I want to introduce to you guys Dr. Reju-All's latest masterpiece. If you want to really maximize the well-aging anti-aging benefits, pair it with this Kbeauty. This is the Dr. Reju-All Advanced PDR and Copper Peptide Serum. Now, while regular peptides act as a beautiful ingredient as it signals the skin to produce more collagen and elastin, copper peptide takes it a step further because copper really maximizes the collagen boosting effects. And they combine the PDRN with a 1% multi-peptide to really give you that clinically proven synergy, collagen boosting synergy. And they encapsulated the 99% of the copper peptide into these blue capsules to get rid of the usual odor and instability issue. So when you actually use this, I honestly didn't realize copper had the ingredient had odor, because it just feels so refreshing. No scent, nothing at all. It helps firm up your skin, boost elasticity, and it really gives you that nice refreshing glow. The formulation is on the lighter side, so you can wear this throughout the whole entire summer where it gets really hot and humid and still get that refreshing feeling afterwards too. So this is definitely one of the serums I've been really enjoying. I think you guys are absolutely gonna love it too. Next, I'm going to explain to you as I eat it, because I'm actually a little famished. I'm a little peckish. I have the 107 Aronia Vinegar Molecular Collagen. Oh my gosh, let me tell you guys, this saved my butt during my stay in New York. So, hold this is basically a collagen jelly stick, and these are a huge thing in Korea. All the girlies that take care of themselves love been taking these collagen sticks, and this one is my favorite. I've tried a lot of them. The thing is, a lot of them they have this really fake artificial sweetener sugar taste, which I'm not a fan of. But this one, because it has that vinegar, it gives you more of that tangy, more genuine taste, should I say, flavor. And let me tell you guys, in New York, oh my gosh, I was literally on a diet by force because everything was so expensive. So I was just like literally starving, and I took a box of these and they just saved my ass. Can you guys tell I've lost weight? And it's not because I'm on a diet, like, but it was because I had to starve because everything was so expensive in New York. But I was literally texting my family like, guys, I cannot afford to eat anything here. Like, I swear, I had a pasta, fries, and like a latte, and it costed like $50 with tip. I was just like, oh my gosh. In Korea, you could probably get that for like 30,000 won, which I want to say is like $20 or something. Yeah, so anyways, so these really save my ass. But not only are these tasty, but they're actually really good for your health too, because it has vinegar, their own proprietary vinegar extract that they fermented for 7 years, and it has aronia, which is a superfood, great antioxidants, and it tastes good. So I'm pretty sure they're having a sale at 107. Yeah, they also are very consistent with their Amazon Prime sale, so I'm pretty sure you're gonna see it. So babes, I'm telling you, this is the best one out there. Next product is actually what I really wanted to share. Of course, the aronia collagen stick is perfect, but you guys have to check this out from 107. This is the Scalp Cooling Breeze Shampoo. You cannot ask for a better shampoo to use in the summer times. This is literally like a nice getaway spa for your scalp for the summer. It is a beautiful shampoo that really cleanses out your scalp without it being harsh. And it gives you that nice minty sensation that when you use it, you're just like, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm in heaven, or like I'm in a retreat every time I use this, especially in the hot, humid weather. This I absolutely love. I actually took this with me to New York. Like, I took this whole bottle with me to New York because I love it that much. And this also really balances out the water and fat content of my scalp, which is very, very important. I think I mentioned this in one of my recent videos, how I feel like my scalp is even more sensitive than my facial skin because it like gets dry really easily, but I sweat a lot. But then sometimes if I use the wrong shampoo, I get dandruff. So I am not one to explore around with shampoos at all. No, I stick to what works for shampoos. For skincare, I think I'm a little bit more generous about it because my skin can tolerate it, but my scalp, heck no. It's like, no. One little like tiniest mistake and she will freak out. So this is a shampoo, one of the shampoos that I absolutely love. And it has low pH, and also it contains that 7-year-old vinegar, their own ingredient that they fermented themselves, which is rich in postbiotics and amino acids, very healthy for the scalp. So this is a shampoo that I absolutely love, and you'll absolutely love the minty sensation, the cooling sensation because it does have the menthol in it. Now, my advice to you is you do have to really shampoo it in and wait until you really feel the cooling sensation. So what I like to do is I always like to wash my hair twice, just because I feel like that really cleanses out my scalp thoroughly. So during the second time around, I really massage it in, guys, and make sure to use a lot of water to dampen your hair and scalp thoroughly. And then you have to wait a minute or two for the minty sensation to kick in. But once it does, oh my god, you will thank me. Okay, you're welcome. It's so good, guys. This actually makes me look forward to washing my hair, which is saying a lot because I have a lot of hair, so it takes a lot of time to wash it and dry it. But I'm just like, I look forward to it, you know? So anyways, make sure to check this out. 107 is an amazing product, guys. Their Milky Double Layer Serum is also really good. I also emptied that out during my stay in New York. It's perfect for if you have dry, compromised skin barrier damaged skin. But yes, make sure to check that out as well. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys really check out these gems. Obviously, there are products I also wanted to mention but didn't, like the layer, but that's only because I feel like I was like really throwing that in your face, and they had that really nice promotion. So I'm guessing like the peeps who wanted to get it did get it during that promotion time. Of course, make sure to check out Amber Section by Yunyani. I got a support. The lemon shake modeling mask is amazing. And yes, so that's it. Make sure to let me know what you guys got during the Amazon Prime sales, and I see you guys in my next